Hi guys, if you're a creative or you're somebody that generates consistently voiceovers, I promise you're going to love this video. And even if you're somebody that work with AI generation, images, videos, and whatnot, you're going to love this video. I want to quickly talk about the Google AI Studio. This is something that a lot of people don't even know about. And for me, I've been enjoying this application for a while now. So I just decided to share for a lot of people that are not aware that there is something like this. So the AI Google Studio is a Google platform, and this, even if you don't have a premium account, as you can see, this is a free account for me. I don't have any subscription on this, um, or, or anything. I didn't pay for any subscription here. I'm just going to tell you how to use this. Say, for example, I want to generate an image. Once I click on it, you can see that, well, it's written boldly there that paid. So for me to use Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro to generate an image, I have to pay for it. But here you can see that it's free. So the moment I click on this, I can go create a prompt, and then I'll run my prompt, and it's going to generate an image for me for free. I don't have to pay for it. And guess what? It's going to be an image with good quality. And I'll show you that so you understand that this is actually true. Now, for me to generate voiceovers, because this is what I've been using this platform for a very long time right now. I've been using this platform to generate my voice, but somehow I don't seem to find this this page. I don't seem to find it whenever I come to the main dashboard on the playground. I don't seem to know where it is. So what I did was, the moment I got this, I added it to my favorite. So every time I click from when I click on this link from my favorite, it will bring me to this particular page. So I'm going to be pasting this link in the description below, so you can see it in the description or in the comments, so it's easy for you to also access this page. Now let me show you what I mean by
I'd
free.
suggest
So
leaving 10 minutes early for your 9 a.m. meeting. Regarding your support ticket, I definitely hear you.
Introducing the all-new Aetherus sedan with whisper quiet cabin.
can you imagine? So these are a preview
Welcome to
of the
Module
voice.
3, Advanced Security Protocol. Welcome back to Brain Trust! Let's jump right into our next category. Floor. No one had lived there for years.
And when you click, you can choose different speakers.
Ready to build something awesome today?
What kind of problem could we solve?
Ready to build something awesome today?
So say, for example, I paste something. So I'm just going to paste this very short script. And once I have that there, I just click run. And you can see nothing else, for free. And it's going to generate this sound for free. I don't have to pay for it. And I've tried this before, generated lots of voices. This is what I use for my project some of the time, and it's always perfect. I just want to put it out there because a lot of people don't know and they still pay for
Before
voiceovers.
there were borders, before there were nations,
And I have
before
the
the
download link
maps were
here,
drawn, there was a people.
and you
50
can see
million strong,
I have
one of
it
the
downloaded.
largest ethnic groups.
So this is something that I want other people to benefit from, and this is why I'm sharing it. I would appreciate if you can share this video to some of your friends, or leave a thumbs up, so this video, the algorithm picks it up, so to share to other people, so they can also benefit from this. Right? You can generate multiple sounds. You can generate as much as you want, but I don't seem to know how to go to this exact page. Every time I click on the playground, it will bring me here where I can, do other things, other features. There are other features here that I can use, but taking me back to where I can generate sound, I hardly, get it. So I have it here um, as my. I have a lot of stuff there, and you can see I'm here again. So I can pick my speakers and check my sound, different speakers.
What sparks your interest?
Right.
You don't just want a car.
Right. So I hope this helps you.